left side. Because there are three things now in our body. One is, what do you say to that? Balgam. Another is the bile. And the third one is the gas or bile. Alright? So the left side is the cough. All these colds and things are due to left side. And the right side is the bile. The fat is created from balgam, which doctors do not know. Do you know that? When fat is heated up by the right hand side, then it dissolves. And the gas movement is in the center. When these 5 types of gases which are within us, when they all combine together and get enlightened by the spirit, you get the full breeze coming out. So the center part is the prana. When it gets absolutely heated up, then diseases like tuberculosis, all these things can follow. And when it gets heated up on the right hand side, on the left hand side you get tuberculosis and all these diseases due to too much heat. When it gets heated too much, then it comes to the right hand side and you get diseases like liver and all these heating diseases on the right hand side. So though the left hand side is cold, if it is heated up, then also diseases are caused.